Shivneri Fort, location Junar, Maharashtra, birthplace of the great Maratha Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Above sea level 3,300 feet. Fort has a Buddhist domination at around 1st century AD. The fort was under the regime of Yadav from a period of 1117 to 1308. In the year 1443, it was conquered by the royal family, but in 1470, it was again conquered by the Mughals. And it was in the year 1595, Nizam Shah handed the fort to Maloji Bhosle, the great grandfather of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This is the Pavitra Bhumi where the Chhatrapati Shivaji was born on the 19th Feb 1630 and named after the goddess located on the fort Shivai Mata as decided by Jijau Mata. In the year 1632, Jijau Mata left the fort and again the fort was under Mughal. Still it was conquered by Shahu Maharaj in the year 1716. Main Darwaja, Mahadarwaja. The garden maintained by Maharashtra Tourism Board. Mineral Look, Darwaja. The view from the top. शपथ हाय तुला मायभूमीची माताशी सर्वत लावून डोंगर दर्यामध्ये तुफान बेभान नाच करू रणाच्या भयान तालामध्ये बसतो जीव शिवबाच्या पायावरी मावळा आणि तो आमचा मल्हारी मावळा आणि तो आमचा मल्हारी मावळा आणि तो आमचा मल्हारी 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 शिवबा मल्हारी 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 शिवबा मल्हारी शिवबा मल्हारी शिवबा मल्हारी शिवाजी This is the temple of goddess Shivai Mata from where the Shivaji Maharaj's name originates. शिवाचं आमचा मल्हारी शिवाचं आमचा मल्हारी Raigad Fort, Rajdhani of Maratha Empire. Our entry was from Chitta Darwaja, Pachar village. We have Jiju Mata's palace. 1737 steps to reach the top, 2700 feet above sea level. The fort have a history of more than centuries. Foundation was done in 1030 AD, then named Prairie Fort. It was in the year 1656 Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured the fort from Chandrarao Maurya. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj fruitfully utilized the treasure and handed the renovation to Hirolji Indulkar. It took 14 years of makeover in which he built 300 buildings, 14 lakes, 84 water tanks. The most important part of the fort is its fortification. Mahadarwaja is the proof of strong history. On Mahadarwaja, we can observe a sharab holding an elephant under its leg, showing the symbol of strength. The fortification stands strong even today, as it was almost ruined by the invaders. Its height is almost 5.6 feet from the main wall, and the passages are so wide to move freely. The beauty of this passage can be observed in rainy season as the fort is decorated with nature's blessing such as streams and waterfalls. Sagar Lake. It becomes important point from the fort as the water from seven rivers of India which were brought for the coronation of ceremony of Shivaji Maharaj were poured into the pond. This is the main water tank on the fort. We remember the glory and power of our ancestors and feel proud to be born in this land and bow to these great masters of universe. Nagar Kana, the entrance to the court. You would see Shivrai Bhaskarancha Devi Thiman Prakash, the bright effulgence of the great warrior and king of the people. On 6th June 1674, he became the proud Pratap Purandar Kshatriya Kulavatos Simhasanadhishwar Shri Shiv Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ki Jai. This is the sacred place where Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was Simhasanadhish on the golden throne of 1200 kg. We bow to this Rajbhumi and got a glimpse of the great Shira. The remnants of the great court, Queen's palace, all are still alive in our heritage and culture. Long live the great Maratha and Hindu Swaraj. Raigad Fort is spread in over 1300 acres. It is the biggest fort complex in India. Let's have a look at the artistic view of Raigad Fort. The remnants of the tower. Let's look the fortification. The marketplace, beautifully built. Jagdish Temple, where Shivaji, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Samadhi, and a tribute to the architect Hindulkar. The topmost view from the surface, spread over 1300 acres. Thanks to all team members, the Maruti temple from Nane Darwaja.